I said, I want you to teach me about money. So I said, why should I teach you? You go to school, your dad, my poor dad's not going to teach you. He says, I said, oh, finally he acquiesced. He said, okay. He says, but if I teach you, you work for me for free. And I said, why for free? And my poor dad went nuts. He says, because if I pay you, you think like an employee. Your brain will change. Wow. If you learn never to work for money, you'll be a rich man. So my dad, the poor dad.
And the backstory for people, your dad was the poor dad.
Right.
PhD.
Stanford, Northwestern, University of Chicago, the head of education for the state of Hawaii, candidate for lieutenant governor of Hawaii as a Republican of all things. They know nothing about money. And they teach our kids.
Right.
They're good people. 80% are good people. 20% just are there for the pension and the paycheck. We know that.